Hello, and welcome to College of Central Florida's Career in a Minute. I'm your host, Bridget Wagner. Our guest today is Debbie Bowe, Associate Dean of Baccalaureate Programs in Teacher Education. Ms. Bowe will be sharing information with us about the bachelor programs offered here at CF.
I am thrilled to tell you that you can get your bachelor degree right here at the College of Central Florida. The Bachelor of Applied Science in Business and Organizational Management has 4 specializations. They include agribusiness, management information systems, public safety, and healthcare management. In order to get into the BAS degree, you must have a minimum of an Associate's in Arts degree or an Associate's in Science degree. I'm also excited to tell you you can get your Bachelor in Science degree in Early Childhood Education. The Early Childhood Education BS degree will include endorsements in reading, ESOL, and pre-K disability. This is very exciting to know that you, our community members and students, can get your bachelor degree right here on our campus at the College of Central Florida.
All right, thank you, Ms. Bowe, for joining us today. If you have any more questions or want more information on this program or any others, check out our website at www.cf.edu. Make sure to join us next time on College of Central Florida's Career in a Minute.